Now, there are a certain number of assignments that I ask you to submit using ReplIt. Now, it's a website that you can use to run your code and actually share your code out with me or others. So I've got an account here with ReplIt, and here's the URL, and I've created it, and I'm logged in, and you got a guide that you can go through to get comfortable with their website and how it works. And I'm familiar with it, so I'll go ahead and start coding now. You'll pick the language, whether it's a Python, HTML, C#, Java. For this example, I'm going to use the C#. So this is one of the most common programs. It's what we start off with in programming. Hello world. Now, this will run, and we can come up here and run it, and we'll see our output here on the right. Now, this is what we call a command line interface to a degree, and we'll see the output line by line in this pane on the right. You'll see on the left the files that are created, main.cs and main.exe. Those files, I can download them, I can add files to this. So whatever I want to do there, and if you go through that walkthrough early on, it'll help you understand how to navigate this system. We'll run there, and if you want to, and you will need to, I should say, share your file out when you've completed your work. Now, this isn't sufficient for that assignment because it's got to be on more than one line. I need comments explaining what it is, so I'd have to have comments at the start saying this program does this, it's for this course, it's created by this person, the date, etc. And then beyond that, we'll have more than one line being generated, so it's not just hello world in one line, it's hello world, just as it was stated in that assignment. Okay, so let's assume you're all done and this is ready to go. You want to submit it now. You click share, and I'll grab this code right here. I click copy. I'll come back to the assignment. I'll click the assignment, and right here I will paste that URL in here. Now I've got to use Control V. Now that gave me the URL. Okay, I could have put it here and write submission just as well. Okay, and it is a hyperlink, but for some reason this isn't letting me add it in there. But once that's submitted, I, as the recipient of it, can take that, paste it into a browser, run it, and that will give me your code. And I can see everything you've done. I can run it. Okay, so that's what I need when it comes to ReplIt. It's a great resource, not just for the course you're in now, but for other courses. So all the different languages you can deal with. If we go back out, let's see here. Search languages. There we go. We've got what's popular, what's practical, C++, C. We've got a ton of different languages that we can use in here. Okay. So, with that said, get comfortable with ReplIt. It's a great way for you to practice coding from home and have a good IDE to deal with. Okay. We can share out what we need. We share it on Twitter, Facebook, whatever if we'd like to. And we can also embed it as a frame if we need to in a website. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you later in the course.